First you gotta forgive me. Just let me know everything gon' be okay if I come out with everything I did. Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and I've been gone for a minute, okay? But I'm coming back and I'm gonna have like an life update video for you guys. But this video we're gonna be talking about this super easy, convenient half wig, if you want to say, U-part wig, V-part wig. It is very convenient. I do have my leave out and you guys are gonna see my hair was definitely dyed a different color, but I have a little trick that I do just when I have wigs like this and my hair color doesn't match. So let's just get into the details first. So this wig is from Ymyhair company. This is a V-part wig, U-part, half wig, whatever you want to call it. It is 26 inches. It's a Bodywave texture, and you guys are going to see the construction of this wig. It has about like 4 to 5 clip-ins, and then it has, I believe, 3 combs. It has adjustable straps and elastic band. Child, your wig is going to be real secure and snug, okay? I took advantage of everything except for like maybe 3 of the clips, but you want to be really mindful with the clips because it does add tension to your hair and you don't want to break off your hair. So this isn't a wig that I would suggest you wear every single day, every week of like the year, the months, whatever. Don't do that. Yeah, because of the tension and you don't want to break your hair off. So with that being said, the one thing that I did use is this L'Oreal Magic Group cover up. I've seen people use this on their edges. I think Aaliyah's Face mentioned this as well, but I like to use it on my entire head if I need to. If I need to literally change the color back to black. I also have a brown one, which this is what I used in the beginning, but I was like, I need black because this hair is definitely black. So I would suggest curling your hair first and letting this be the last step, okay? I definitely messed up. Okay, but I would definitely let this be the last step just because it gets super messy, and I would suggest wearing gloves just so that it's easier to clean up. But as you guys see, it came off of my hands quite easily, but I mean you can just bypass that mess if you just have gloves on. So I actually got this from TJ Maxx for $8, so there's that. I feel like the spray did exactly what it needed to do, which is just to blend my hair a lot better than what it would look like had I not did it. This texture, this Bodywave texture, it is very soft. I like it, and it's thick. You know when you get into like the straight Bodywave textures, you always have to be worried about the density. I feel like this is very natural. It's very cute. It's not too heavy on my head, which is helping with the clip-ins, because like I said, you don't want any breakage, and the tension of if the hair is heavy, it's just gonna weigh it down and break your hair off. So I really like how this does not feel heavy on my head. It feels really comfortable actually, and it's super easy. This video is gonna be super quick because it's literally low maintenance. Also, if you guys don't want to put heat on your hair, you can always put flexi rods and have some heatless curls. So there's so much that you can do with V-part wigs. You just have to be very mindful that you're not breaking off your hair. But so with that being said, if you have tried a wig from this company, leave a comment down below because this is the first time actually that I have even heard of this company. So I'm pleasantly surprised, okay? I'm happy with how this wig came out, and if you have tried a wig from this company, leave a comment down below, like I said, just so that we can get a lot of different input from other people. So that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye. I'm so exhausted. I'm so exhausted.
First you gotta forgive me. Just let me know everything gon' be okay. If I come out with everything I did, would you punish me even though I did a long time ago? If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no? Would you break my heart? Would you...